Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create custom stickers from your photos or drawings on your Android device. So if you want to customize your own sticker, you can just find any sticker maker apps on the Play Store. You can now first click on the Play Store and open it. Click on search and then just type in sticker maker as the keyword. You can hit on enter and you'll find there are lots of sticker maker apps that you can use on your device. So in here I'm going to just use the one with the good rating 4.8. This one, sticker maker West sticker. Click on that and in here this is the preview of the apps. Let's just hit on install and just wait until the installation process is finished. Okay, so now the sticker maker app has been installed. Let's hit on open. Okay, so this like a quick tutorial. There are 3 steps. You can just choose an image, crop it, and add words or emojis. Let's start by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom. Allow access to photos and videos on your phone, and then you can just select the photos. Okay, so let's say I want to create a sticker from this photos right here. You can just click on the photos and then cut out or crop the part that you want. Here you can also use circle if you want to. I'm going to go with circle, I think, and adjust the size, and after that you can hit on next at the top, and now you can just select the stickers that you want, the tags that you want for the stickers. For example, I'm going to add this. Let's try it again. So there are some elements that you need to pay. I'm going to just use this one, I think. You can always adjust the size of the elements just like this, and after that you can tap on create, and now your sticker has been successfully made. So that's all. That's how you can create custom stickers on your Android device. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.